Jalgaon. There, the weather must be fine. Absolutely not very hot, no?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm fine, sir. And how about you?
If you are fine, I am also fine.
Okay.
It's more important that you should be fine. Thank you
Yeah.
for asking me. I'm fine. Yeah, I'm in
Yeah.
Chennai. It's a little too hot here, but
Yeah. I'm from Jalgaon, Maharashtra.
you are from
Jalgaon, Maharashtra.
Jalgaon. Jalgaon. There, the weather must be fine. Absolutely not very hot, no?
Yes.
Yeah. So, what is the plan for the day?
Today there is a week. It is a working day. So after session, I will go into the school because I am a computer teacher in a school, private school. So after session, I will go for school.
Okay. What subject do you teach?
I teach computer.
You teach computers. Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Just please introduce yourself to me.
Okay, sir. Good morning, sir. I'm Sudhir Patel. I'm from Jalgaon, Maharashtra, and learning new languages. It is my hobby, and now I'm learning English because it is very helpful in my career. So I joined learning from I think 1920, and now I am very good level at. I'm not saying that I'm fluent, but I am now good level. And I'm a computer teacher also, and I teach fourth standard to eighth standard students in private school. So it is all about me.
Okay. All right. Very glad to know that you are a teacher and you are teaching computers to small children who are picking up the computer. This
Yeah.
because that is the future. They are the future of the country. You know, and
Yes, sir.
that's a very proud thing to feel that you are helping the future develop. Yeah. And also very nice to hear that you wanting to learn English uh, because you always want to learn something new. That's a very good habit
Yeah.
and very good trait. And I'm sure your children must be also your children, meaning the students, will also be very happy with you because you have such a positive attitude of wanting to
Yes.
learn. And when you want to learn, teaching becomes easier. Yeah. So today, the subject that we are given to us is spirituality.
Yes, sir.
Did
I
you did
I had a session with this subject. I think one of the tutor, but it's okay. We will continue.
No, it's up to you. If you don't want to continue on this subject, we can take any other subject or any other aspect of spoken English that you want to raise. Like if it is any subject is allowed.
Okay. Okay. So when I teach my students, that time I don't have problem. But when I communicate with someone, now I am communicate with you. I now I am conversing with you. So in that case, I have problem to understand fully. If you ask me big question, so in that situation I stuck to understand the full questions, and sometimes I stuck in the words. So how can overcome this? Because
So,
if someone asks me big question, so in that case I stuck between that.
uh, so Sudhir, two things. One is any question asked to you, you are not supposed to have an answer because we don't know that we cannot have answer for everything in the world. Because
Hmm.
so the subject must be known to you. We can only talk about subjects that we know and on which we have information. Then we are able to talk without problem. But like for example, suppose somebody says, okay, tell me what did India achieve out of sending Chandrayaan to the moon? Now you don't know. Either you know or you
No.
don't know. If you know, you will start talking. If you don't know, and if you start talking, then there is a problem. So when you don't know, it is better to say, "Sir, I don't know what will be the benefit." I know, of course, that Chandrayaan has been sent to the moon by our country, and we are all very proud of it. But I have no idea why we have sent this Chandrayaan to the moon and not to the Mars or not to the Sun. That I don't know. I'll have to find out. I mean, that is one. But if you start saying yes, Chandrayaan, it has been sent to the moon, and now you are stuck. Now you don't know what to say. So my suggestion is, whenever a question is asked, even when you ask your children, your students, when I say children, I mean your students. When you ask your children a
Hmm.
question, don't expect immediate answer. It is not like 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 4, 16. 8 into 8, 64. No, it is not like that. Suppose you ask a child, what is the difference between moon and sun? Now give that child some time to think and then answer. And tell the child, don't have to answer immediately. Think. There are only two options. Either you know or you don't know. If you know, answer it properly. If you don't know, just say, I don't know. This
Okay.
is one way. Why I am telling you? Because words come, okay, what is vocabulary? When we talk so much about vocabulary is a set of words that you know.
Mm-hmm.
My vocabulary is different from your vocabulary. My vocabulary is a set of words that I know. Your vocabulary is a set of words you know, and they may not match. I may know less than you, or you may know more than me, whichever way. But the complete definition of vocabulary is it is a set of words that you know and use regularly.
Okay.
जब तक आप यूज नहीं करोगे, that word is just like keeping an Oxford dictionary at home. You can note down 500 words in a book and keep it by your side. That is not your vocabulary. Your vocabulary is 10 words which you will use regularly. Last
Okay.
1 minute of our program. Uh, so you need to practice a little bit more on the vocabulary and the grammar portion. You have to attend to. So next time when you have a class with somebody, please tell them, sir, you please help me with this grammar, forming a sentence construction properly. I am missing out on connecting words like am, to, and all that. So please help me, tell me what to do. If I am on your session, then of course I will tell you. But otherwise, any tutor can tell you.
No, sir. I will definitely one more session book with you because last time it was a problem with the connectivity. Last
Correct.
time I booked session with you, it was a problem with connectivity, but today it happened good,
Thank
kind of
God.
good.
Connectivity has to be good. Otherwise, it's a big strain. For me, it's a very, very big strain because I conduct about 8 to 10 sessions continuously. And then
Oh,
if the connectivity is not good, then I have to strain, I have to listen out. Then because I want to do justice to each learner also because they're paying money for
yes,
all this. It's not a
yes,
free session. So we have a moral responsibility towards them. That is why.
yes, sir. Okay, sir.